What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Aiden Blaze DBD, and I am very sorry for not uploading for a month. I've just kind of been busy with school and just other stuff in general, but I am here making this upload. The rest of the video is no commentary, sadly, but I do have a promise to make. I promise that I will get a new I am officially getting a new microphone soon. I swear, soon. I am very sorry for the lack of content. I just, like I said, I've been busy, but I swear on you guys, I am in the works of getting a new microphone from weeks from now. So I know you guys are like, oh, why does this guy keep on uploading no commentary videos? Well, I swear to you guys, I know I'm saying this so much, but I'm legit. I'm being legit. Okay, I said it last time, and I did get a new mic, but it was for, like, consoles. So, kind of made a mistake there, but I am actually getting a new microphone. A new, good microphone. That does not sound poopy. Or I'm underwater. So, yeah. And, yes. Yeah, I know. I've just been getting a lot of, like, my friends have been asking me, oh, where's your content? Where's your videos? Well, I got a new one today. It's just DBD themed, like a classic. So, please enjoy the video. And, I promise when I do get that microphone, you will be hearing me talk. And you'll get that sweet, sweet content. But, till then, please, just enjoy. Like and subscribe. No commentary for the rest of the video. So yeah, guys, enjoy the video. Bye bye.